We are Trane. We're more than the products we make. We are the people who make them. We get up early and stay late. We never flinch at a little fire or hard work. We're fathers and sons, mothers and daughters. We're former soldiers, future leaders, and current friends. We're from small towns with big resolve. And a few years under our belts. We lead by example and push each other to be better and make things that run better every day. We are only as good as the people who work here. And we're proud to have our name on everything we make. Because we know what we create here goes into homes around the country to make life more livable. We are Trane proud.